Hey guys, TechMentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Shazam app not working on your iPhone. Now, this is something that's happened with iOS 17 and some devices aren't working. The app isn't working either through the actual app or if you're trying to use through the control center here for the Shazam, it's not working for you. You want to follow these steps. So let's get started. The very first one is you're going to force restart your iPhone. In order to do that, what you'll do is press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then hold the side button here until the screen goes completely black, and then the Apple logo reappear. You let go of that button. So here, as you can see, I have iPhone 15 Pro. The top button is the action button, so you don't want to do that one. You're going to do the button right after that, which is the volume up, volume down, and then I hold the side button just like that. And what that's going to do is completely shut down the phone and then restart it again. And we're going to wait till the Apple logo reappears. And then we'll let go of that button. Now, this method is safe. It's not going to delete any of your personal data. All of your photos, videos, apps will be there. This is just reloading the code. So if it's a software related issue impacting Shazam from not working, it will fix it. And after you have done that, hopefully Shazam is working. Now, if it's not working, there is a workaround that's going around right now on the iOS 17 version, which is if you go into your settings and you go into accessibility, and then under accessibility for a display and text size, if you have the bold text on, you need to turn it off. For some reason, it's impacting some of the phones from Shazam not working. So if this is on, you need to turn it off just like that. And I don't know why it's working, but for some reason, some users have reported that the bold text right now, there's a bug going around. So if you turn that off and then go into your Shazam app, it should work for you now. So that's something you want to go ahead and try, see if that works for you. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing you want to go ahead and completely delete the app and reinstall it. So in order to delete the app, you're going to press and hold here, click on remove app, delete app, and click on delete. It should be gone. You're going to go back to the app store here, search here on the search option, and then search for the app. You're going to search for Shazam here, click on that cloud icon here, so it's starting to re-download for us, and hopefully the latest version of the app is working after you re-download it. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing you want to do is update your phone. Apple is releasing new updates as we speak for iOS 17 as they're discovering new issues and problems with iOS 17. So you want to go into your settings, general, software update, and see if there's an update available. And if there's an update available, it'll come up and show up here. As you can see, this phone, there's an update available, and if it is, you'll click on update now. Give yourself half an hour to 45 minutes to successfully update your phone and make sure your phone is at least 50% or more. And after you do that, hopefully the Shazam app is working for you. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.